So hi, this is my presentation for Spatial Technology Hands-On. And in this presentation, I'm going to be talking about ArcGIS Online. I'm Shubham Sharma. This is my student ID and this is my email ID. Okay, so in this presentation, we're going to be talking about GIS Online, and then I'll walk through the ArcGIS Online portal. And then I'll demonstrate how to add different layers and apply different filters on the layers. Then we'll build a map for COVID-19 testing facilities in California and the number of COVID cases in California. And we'll see how this data is helpful in determining different facts. So first, let's talk about ArcGIS Online. It is a cloud-based software which used to create and share interactive web maps. Which in ArcGIS Online is produced by Esri. We can use it to make maps, analyze data, and to share and collaborate. Okay, so now let's move to Google Chrome. Just a second. Yeah. So first I'll open the portal of ArcGIS Online. And then we'll go to the maps. So this is the online portal of ArcGIS. And here we can add different layers and we can choose a base map. So let's go with the dark gray canvas over here. Then we'll search for California. This is the California. And then we can add bookmarks here. So bookmarks basically help us to save a particular spot in the map. So if I'm like somewhere else and I just go and click on California, it will redirect me to this section over here. Then I'll add we'll search for layers, and then we can switch to the ArcGIS Online. It will show us the list of all the different layers that are there in the ArcGIS Online platform. There are basically 10,000 plus layer over here. So first let's search for COVID. So it will give us a list of different layers that are developed by different people on COVID. So we'll add this layer over here. So as you can see, it will show us the red spots, which are basically where the COVID cases are more. So here you can see, for example, this is in California, this is County Madera, and there are 300 deaths and 25,000 confirmed COVID cases. And as you can see that this data is very recent. It's 18th of November. So now I'll show you how you can add uh, different filters on the map. So first, let's see what all data do we get in this. So here it shows us that it has a province, state section, country section, and then there are different sections like confirmed cases, number of deaths, and county. So we'll add a filter to this map. Okay, so from here you can add a filter. So we'll go with state, and then we'll search for California, apply filter. Okay. Just a second, think. Oh, I'm sorry. We have to select the province state and then we'll enter now here. Then we'll apply filter. So yeah, you can see that it got only the COVID cases in California. Previously it was showing for the whole US. Now we can only see for California. So yeah, you can just click California to get over here. Okay, so now we'll add another layer. Yeah, so we'll search for California the testing site. So here you can, oh sorry, you can add this layer over here, testing locations. Yeah, so you can see that we got all the different testing locations from all over the United States. So if you want to filter out only for California, we'll do the same thing. We'll just check here what are the different attributes of this. Okay, so I guess we have a state over here, state section. Yeah, there's a state field over here, so we'll add a filter to this one as well. Let's search for state. Yes, state is California. We'll apply this filter. Okay, so now we are only getting the different testing sites in California. So as you can see, there are a lot of testing sites where it's not required. See, the number of cases over here are very less, but there are a lot of testing sites. Whereas in some areas, you can see, like for example, here there is a lot of cases over here, like 2,000 confirmed cases, but the nearest testing site is not very close to it. Okay, so this is the nearest testing site, but as you can see, it's very far from where the hotspot is. So in this way, you can like add different layers in ArcGIS, and then you can filter the data based on it, and then you can save it. To save it, you can add a title. Then you can add different tags so that other people can use these tags to find out your map. Add COVID. Description of the map. You can add this map describes the COVID testing sites and the active COVID cases in California. Save map. That's it. Now your map is saved. Okay, so yeah, this is the demonstration. As you can see, there is a lot of COVID testing sites in Santa Monica. We can also look for Riverside over here if you want to check. So as you can see, there are not many cases in Riverside, and there are a lot of testing sites. The one in the red are actually closed. You can see it's discontinued, that's why it's red. Okay, so now let's move back to the presentation. Yeah, that's it. That's my presentation on ArcGIS Online, and I did all of the steps. I demonstrated how you can add layers and apply different filters, and then I demonstrated how to build a map for COVID-19 testing facilities and number of COVID cases in California. Thank you.